G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a Dell Latitude 7280, also known with the model number P28S. So with this I'll be replacing the battery with this one. And what we're going to need to get in there is a Phillips head screwdriver, like this. Start off by taking out the screws. Some may or may not want to leave. They seem to be remaining in the bottom cover, which is just fine. There we go. Look it like that. Use a pry tool to lift it up. There we go. Keep going from there. You could use a bank card or some form of plastic card. There we go. Did actually crack right there. Bugger. And from here, what do we got? We have a connection down to here. I'd say is running down to here. So I'd say this connection here is for the battery. Hold the board, pull it up. There we go. Then we'll take out the screws for it. 1, 2, and lift it up from there. And we have one battery out. Zoom in for you guys. Should be a matter of pulling it down here. And pulling, still going with the tape, and pulling this back, like so. Slide it into here, push it in, stick that there. Feed it in. Go. This does look like a pull tab, but I'm just going to leave that there. Matter of feeding it into the bottom section first. Line it up down here, push down, one. Now that battery connector is not connected right now. 2. Then it looks like we should just be able to push this straight down, like so. That snapped into position. So with that reconnected, all we should have to do is put the bottom cover back over the top. Pinch it around. There we go. And put those screws, or tighten those screws back up. That is how you can replace the battery in your Dell Latitude 7280, model number P28S. I do find tracking down decent quality batteries for this laptop, or in most laptops, to be very difficult. So I don't really have any recommendations on where to purchase them from. Typically the cheapest battery is probably going to be the worst. Do check out the reviews, make sure they're alright, make sure they're a company that's been around for a while. And hopefully from there you can track down a decent battery. That will do for today, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.